Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media. In this video, we dive into the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe, a luxury performance SUV that continues to push the boundaries of design, technology, and driving dynamics. Porsche has long been known for delivering a unique blend of performance and prestige, and the 2025 Cayenne Coupe is no exception. This refreshed model combines sleek coupe-like styling with the heart and engineering of a true Porsche, offering drivers a thrilling and comfortable ride whether cruising the city or conquering the highway. The exterior of the 2025 Cayenne Coupe features a refined silhouette with sculpted lines, a lower roofline, and an aggressive rear stance. Porsche's latest updates include sleeker matrix LED headlights, a more sculpted hood, and redesigned front and rear bumpers that emphasize its athletic proportions. The coupe profile is accentuated by a sloping roof that blends seamlessly into the tailgate, giving it a sportier presence compared to the standard Cayenne. Large alloy wheels, bold color choices, and subtle body enhancements help complete the look of this modern luxury SUV. Under the hood, the 2025 Cayenne Coupe offers a variety of powerful engine options. Depending on the variant, you can expect anything from a turbocharged V6 to a roaring twin-turbo V8. For eco-conscious drivers, a plug-in hybrid version is also available, delivering both strong performance and improved fuel efficiency. The base V6 model already provides exhilarating acceleration, while the higher trims, including the Turbo GT, are built to rival sports cars with jaw-dropping horsepower and precise handling. An advanced 8-speed Tiptronic S automatic transmission ensures smooth gear changes and optimal performance on any terrain. Step inside, and the 2025 Cayenne Coupe welcomes you with a cabin that reflects Porsche's commitment to craftsmanship and technology. The dashboard has been updated with a fully digital driver display, a curved infotainment screen, and fewer physical buttons, creating a clean and modern layout. High-quality materials such as leather, aluminum, and carbon fiber are used throughout, and the attention to detail is clear in every stitch and panel. Rear seat passengers get ample legroom, even with the coupe roofline, and the cargo space remains generous for a vehicle in this segment. In terms of features, Porsche continues to impress with the latest infotainment and connectivity systems. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, voice control, and remote vehicle monitoring through the Porsche Connect app. Comfort features like heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system enhance the driving experience. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, night vision, and a 360-degree camera for safer driving in all conditions. Driving dynamics are at the heart of the Cayenne Coupe experience. Whether you're in the city or pushing through twisty mountain roads, the chassis and suspension deliver outstanding balance and confidence. Porsche Active Suspension Management and available rear axle steering provide excellent road feel and maneuverability. Optional ceramic brakes and performance tires make this SUV feel like a sports car when you need it to, without sacrificing comfort or everyday usability. The 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe is more than just an SUV with style. It's a performance machine with luxury at its core, designed for those who demand both excitement and practicality. Whether you choose the base model or go all in with the Turbo GT, the Cayenne Coupe represents one of the most well-rounded vehicles in its class. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more car reviews, comparisons, and auto industry news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Auto Pulse Media family.